Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Lady Kriban from ESPE University. This is the signature of General Linguistic, and in this video, I'm going to talk about phonology. Phonology is the science of the linguistic that studies how the sounds are organized in a language. Phonology is important in determining if a sound is part of a specific language or if it's a foreign sound. It is also important in the enabled of the adjustment of pronunciation of morphemes. Phonemes are the smallest units of sound that can change the meaning of a word. In other words, they help us to distinguish between one word or another. Linguists place phonemes between slash marks. As we can see in the examples hat and cat, the difference between them is the phoneme H and C. The same we can see in the word dog, where the first letter of the word is the phoneme D. In the word moon, the phoneme U is in the middle of the word, and in the example of strengths, we can see that we have 8 phonemes. In English language, there are 44 phonemes, 19 consonants, 5 short vowel sounds, 5 long vowel sounds, 7 digraphs, 2 U sounds, and 5 control sounds. Because of the position of the organs, especially the tongue, when we pronounce a word, or because of the flow of the air, the, the sounds can be differentiated into other classifications as affricatives, fricatives, nasals, velar, etc. Now let's talk about minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are words that differ by only one phoneme, as we see in these examples. The words ting and ding differ only for the letters T and D. The same we have in the words ten and then, tie and die, cat and gat, cap and grab, cat and gat. What is a phone? Phones are any speech sound, but they are the actual sound produced by the human vocal tract. In these examples, we can see that in the word ping, the P sound is aspirated. It means that we let a little part of air free when we pronounce the letter P. This is not P, but P, pin. But in the word spin, the same letter P is unaspirated. Now let's talk about morpheme. Morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning, and they could be a word. For example, the word run. This is a whole word, but we can also have a morpheme in the words that end in ing form, because a morpheme can also be a part of a word. A morpheme can also be a single letter in the case of S sound because in the words it could mean plural or the third person of the singular. A morpheme can also be one syllable, a word of one syllable, as in it or more syllables as in water. What is an allomorph? Allomorph are variations of the morphemes. The variation could be in how the word or sound is pronounced or how the word is written. To be more specific, how the morpheme is pronounced or how the morpheme is written. In the first case, we have the allomorph uh, s. If we add the word cat, the allomorph s, we have cats. The same in the word book, we have books. But these s sound are not changing the meaning. They are still conveying the basic meaning. The change is just into plural. In the second example, we have the letter T in the words kept, felt, slept. This T sound is meaning that the word is expressing in a past tense. And in the final example, we have the word inactive. Inactive is a word composed with active plus the prefix in at the beginning. So this is an allomorph. I hope this video could have been um, clear, and thank you for watching and have a good night. Thank you.